And I look back 6 months ago. 6 months ago, I was elected to represent the people of Toledo East. But while for many of you may think that was the history, but when I started...
Before I continue, I want to say how safe I feel to be in the town of Punta Gorda, and all credit goes to the police over there and the top chief. The Toledo district have had the lowest murder rate in the country of Belize for the past 5 years. Big up the PG police. I am Will Mejia. I'm born and raised in the Toledo district. I attended Punta Gorda Methodist School, and after I graduated, I went to St. Peter Clipper College. Then after that, I went to study in the United States, where I got a bachelor's degree in environmental studies and a master's degree in natural resource management. I returned to PG immediately to give back to my community. This is my home and this is my town, and I want to make sure that I contribute to the development of my community in a sustainable way. People hear about development, and development sometimes is not sustainable. I am from this town. I'm born and raised here, and I will live here. I worked alongside with the Prime Minister of Belize to negotiate the first ever Depth for Nature swap. He is now the Prime Minister. When we negotiated the Depth for Nature swap, he was the Minister of the Environment. We continue to work together until today. To go to Central Farm to study agriculture when we live in a district that have the most fertile soils. We should be teaching agriculture here. Agriculture should be a degree here, and we should be bringing students from all over Central America to the Toledo campus. The Toledo campus should be 10 times what it is now, and agriculture should be a main point.
My name is Moses Scott. I have a question for the candidate for the PNP. I noticed that the other candidate from PUP, they have a manifesto in their hand. Would you be able to provide me with your manifesto, and if so, what are your 3 priorities if elected? Thank you very much.
Okay, yes, we do have a manifesto. It's online. You can go and see there, and if you want to give it after this show. Well, the 3 priorities, let me tell you, if you're elected, the 3 priorities right now in Punta Gorda, there are people living in our town that don't have access to water and electricity. That is a basic human right. So that is something that I will champion. Everybody needs to do that. Secondly, I will ask for an audit of the $2 million that was spent on streets in Punta Gorda. If you feel like $2 million was spent on streets in Punta Gorda, or $3.2 million on a bridge that crosses a creek, not a river, $3.2 million. So corruption is another priority that I will fight. We must tackle corruption. When there is a corruption, there's corruption taking place, everybody suffers, right? Everybody suffers. You have streets, $2 million come for the street, yet the one by TCC that we have hundreds of students, 700 students plus every day that have to endure that dust. Where is the $2 million? So that will be another priority, and to develop jobs for our people through sustainable development platform using tourism. We can improve tourism in our town. You go to Maguni area, if we just do the right thing there, we could develop tourism in that area. We have the Cerro Hills area. We have so many rivers. We can bring tourism here and bring millions of dollars to our community, and everybody in every village and in this town can improve their economic benefits when it comes to tourism and agriculture.
Okay, thank you. Any more questions for...
I am Oscar Requena. I spent 24 years in education before I got into politics. I've been elected to Parliament 3 terms. I am vying for my 4th term. I spent 8 years in opposition, and I've spent the last 4.5 years as a Minister of Government. My vision for the Toledo District is that we need to ensure that the Toledo district engages in the development that we all envision, creating meaningful opportunities for our people.